Part 2, connecting Beam to Capture and making a fixture patch. So Beam for Live 2 is a lighting engine made by ShowSync. They've made various instruments which are used to control fixtures, and it connects to Capture via CITP. So Capture, it's a visualizer. We're going to create and design our show before deploying it to the real world. There's quite a few different versions. I think there's 4 in total of Capture, but with the solo edition, which is the first one, you can only output one universe. Let's go ahead and open up Beam. Once you open it up, it will look like this. We want to navigate to the Inputs Outputs tab, and we want to add the CITP output to talk to Capture. So if we click on that, select type, choose CITP, leave all this the same, and add to IO. So you can see that's been made. Next thing we want to do is we want to create our fixture patch. So if we go up to the top, we're now in the fixtures window. Currently there's none. So if we go to add, in the example that I showed you at the start, we had 4 lights. They were called pointies. If we search for those, pointy, there we go. We want them in 24 channel mode, which is mode 1. They'll be on universe 1. Starting address will be 1, and there will be 4 of them. So before I add them, quite a useful feature is these tags. So when it comes to Ableton, we'll be able to control groups of them, or well, yeah, the whole group of them via this tag. And you can sort of make as many tags as you want. It all depends on the situation really, but for the sort of configuration we'll do in, we'll just do this one. Pointies and create. So add to patch, you can see we've got 4 in total. Now, another thing worth mentioning is we've got the main group of tag. We've got the main tag group, sorry. They've all got their own individual MIDI note. So when it comes to programming later on in Ableton, these lights will be controllable via these MIDI notes on the keyboard. Now we've made our patch, let's go ahead and open Capture. When you load it up, it will present you with this. We want to make a new project, and then there'll be 4 different windows that pop up. This one I'll sort of leave how it is. This one I'll put in plot. This one I'll put in live. To get Capture talking to Beam via the CITP protocol, we want to head to universes, and it should have done it already, but if it hasn't, you come down here and you click on CITP session. There we go. We've confirmed that Beam is talking to Capture and that it's outputting the CITP. So in the next part, we're going to look at making our environment before we start adding in our fixtures.